everybody, and welcome to Drier Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. Well, this is going to be my third resin coaster video. I'm going back to the geode molds, which I used in my first video using pinks and silvers. And in this one, as you can see here, I'm going to be doing a lot of emeralds with a little bit of silver as well. I'm going to be using that Pebeo crystal resin again, green glitter flakes, the malachite glitter. That is a forest green from Resin. That is the silver pigment and the silver metallic pigment from Just For You Online UK, all of which you can find in my online store. The Resin products you can find in Laura's Art Corner, and all of her information is in the description below. And in the video's description below, you can find all of the products and tools that I use. Some of them are in my store, which is www.drierdaysartstudio.com, and some is in my Amazon store, which is www.amazon.com/shop/drierdaysartstudio. So back to the video, I am using my silicone sticks there, which these came in a kit, which you can find in my Amazon store, and I've got someone recommended this kit to me, and it has been phenomenal. You can use these silicone sticks to move your resin around here on the molds, and you don't have to worry about scratching them as you would with like a wooden stick or a toothpick. It also came with a silicone mat, so you can do other resin pouring and things like that with that mat. And it also came with silicone measuring cups, and then these even smaller cups that I use to lay my pigmented and glittered resin down. And they're really nice and small. They have a little spout, but they're pretty durable, so you can get a good grip on them, and you don't feel like they're going to be flimsy and pour all your resin out on you. These are some clear quartz tumbled stones that you can get from Just For You Online UK. I don't have these in my store right now. I will have raw clear quartz in my store, but these are tumble stones. Decided I wanted to do sort of an off-center focal point of these. In the last video, I started in the very middle of these molds and kind of worked out. And I wanted these to be a little bit more off-center. So I started with the stones to get my focal point and laid those in where I wanted them to be. With the blue coasters too, I wanted to start a little bit lighter and work my way out, getting darker. So these are the light green Rebel glitter flakes. I love this product so much. I love all the Rebel glitter flakes, but these green have a little bit of silver in them too. They're just so cool. The sparkle and the dimension you get with these is just awesome. So I came in with these flakes, and I'm just wrapping them around those clear stones. This is the forest green mica pigment from Resin Expressions, and you can find that in Laura's Art Corner. Beautiful, beautiful green. And I wanted that to be my darkest on the outside rim. So I am just coming right up to that rim, and I'm just gently using a stick to get that up close to the edge there. Now this was the same stick I used to mix this pigment, and I'm not going all the way down to the silicone mold. I'm doing this kind of just right on the surface of the clear resin that I already had laid down, so I'm not making contact with that stick to the silicone. And this is the Malachite Rebel glitter from Just For You Online UK, available in my store. Beautiful, beautiful glitter. It's a wonderful green, but also has flecks of a blue in there, almost like a teal. It's just gorgeous. And I am using those smaller silicone cups that I mentioned that have the little spout on them. They're just perfect for doing these kind of little silicone molds because you can't get a whole lot in them. They're very, very small, and they just are perfect for doing this kind of thing. And again, that's available in my Amazon store. Not my personal store, but my Amazon store. And this is the silver metallic pigment, not to be confused with Just For You Online UK silver pigment. This is the silver metallic that comes in a set with the gold metallic. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Also available in my store. And now this is where I come in with the silicone stick to really push some of that pigmented resin down to the bottom of the mold. And that's where you can get a little bit more forceful there, as you can't with a wooden stick. And I'm just using a blow dryer very, very quickly on very low heat to move that resin around a little bit and to pop any bubbles. But that resin, really, you have hardly any bubbles in that stuff. It's awesome. I decided to use the same metallic marker from Michaels. This is the Craftsmart brand. I used the same metallic pen on the pink geode coasters. I just really like it. It goes with these colors really nicely because I had used silver already in the coasters. I wanted to keep with that silver look. And I just come all around the outside and do a teeny tiny bit on that top part, just following around my line, my shape of the mold here. I don't find with these pens that you have to do a flood coat to finish it off. That is personal preference. I did find with the gilding paint you probably should, but these markers hold up pretty well. It's all up to you. And here they are, all done. I just love doing the silicone coaster molds. They're quick, they're fun, they come out different every time. Beautiful sparkle in there. They're just so neat. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come check me out on Instagram at Dryer Days, and I also have my own Facebook group, Dryer Days Art Studios Resin and Fluid Art Group, if you want to come over there and share your artwork with all of us. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time everybody, keep on pouring.